In this big building up there by Hussein, above Hussein, is a cross from that time period, from the former church. Above this pillar too up there, you have some images, and then you have in the pillar down here by the pulpit, you see the heart of God's eternal love, and up on the middle section, upper middle section, there's a heart there. On this pillar up here, there's two major pillars, and hard to see with the light coming in. But on the right side, there's four circles going up the upper right. On that side right there is a cross in that section there, right above in the middle. So this is on this side too, there's some designs, all these designs from that early period. And you can see that a lot of artwork went into worship, focusing on the truth of God's love through the cross. Churches like this church angled towards the east, same direction as Hagia Sophia. And so you can see the curve here of the apse remaining. On the northern side, there's a lot more crosses on this side. Down below you can see some evidence of the different remains from the early church, or even sometimes of the temple. On this section here, there's a lot of different images up on this section. Look up in each capital. They bring either the image of eternity. There's a big cross there in the corner, right there and there. You can see it. And a lot of images of eternity. Even this one up there has a lot of them crosses. Between, if I'm not mistaken, yeah. In this section, in the northern section of a church, would be the area for communion. So there's not a lot, but there's images of leafy and grape leaves. Down below, you can see different things. That triangle there is probably remains from a pulpit. It's always at some angle going up the steps. And you have your broken crosses here, down there. Different ones there. You have more images there of different, mainly images of leafy items. Kind of assembled on that one of God's eternity. The lights are not on currently, but a lot of things up in this far corner, right down there. Look down below and you can see a cross as a foundation, but it's upside down. On the west side of this old ancient Byzantine church, see these ruins up here? These are like an archway, entryway. A few years ago it was on the ground. They put them up. You see could possibly the old pulpit or an altar of some sort. Between these two windows, underneath is a cross. Very faint, but there. And so a lot of the older of the church, the beauty of it is seen in some of the descriptions. So